In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change inbox type Gmail. If your inbox feels cluttered, or you wish your most important or unread messages appeared at the top, changing your inbox type is a quick way to reorganize how Gmail displays emails. You'll do this from the web version of Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing in. In the top right, click the Settings gear icon. A quick settings panel opens on the right. In this panel, look for the section labeled Inbox Type. If you don't see everything you need there, click See All Settings, then go to the Inbox tab. Next, open the Inbox Type drop-down. Here's where you choose how Gmail arranges incoming messages. Select Default for the standard view with category tabs like Primary, Social, and Promotions. Choose Important first if you want messages marked Important to float to the top. Pick Unread first to always see unread emails before the rest. Choose Starred first to keep anything you've starred at the top. Select Priority Inbox to divide your inbox into prioritized sections such as Important and Unread, Starred, and everything else. And if you see multiple inboxes, you can set up custom sections driven by search or labels for advanced organization. As soon as you choose an option, Gmail applies the layout immediately so you can preview how it looks. If you made the change from the full settings page, make sure to save your settings if you're prompted. To help you decide, here's what each layout emphasizes. Default keeps everything chronological and uses optional tabs to separate categories like social or promotions. Important first puts messages, Gmail marks, as important at the top. Unread first keeps everything you haven't opened yet at the top, like a to-do list. Starred first works well if you use stars to mark items that need attention. Priority Inbox creates distinct sections so high-priority items appear first, while lower-priority messages are grouped below. Multiple inboxes is best for power users who want side-by-side sections for specific labels or searches. A quick tip. For simple sorting, choose Unread first. For more control with clear sections, try Priority Inbox or multiple inboxes. You can switch any time by returning to the same setting.